So I went on a cruise, Carnival Dream, this past week and loved this. Could not stop thinking about Guy Fieri's The Ringer burger. I went ahead and made it when I got back home. Gonna be making it for everybody tonight. Kind of my own recreation. That's how we did it. Back here on the Pit Boss, I've already got some garlic roasting because I looked at this and there's two things that I want to try to do that'll make this burger hopefully stand out. The donkey sauce, of course we're going to fry an onion ring, and the SMC super melted cheese. So I'm going to be doing those, and then we're going to go ahead and make a smash burger. Everything else will be very similar to what we're used to, and see how well we can get this to turn out. Here's the donkey sauce that I'm going to be making. Now, if you prefer, you can actually go get this, at least you can where I'm at your local Walmart, for under $4, and you can get you a bottle. But for the sake of this video, we're going to make some myself because I figure most of you want to do that, and we're going to see how close I can get it to taste to that. First, we're going to roast some garlic, and we're just going to go ahead and take one clove, cut the top off. There we go, just like that. Place it under some foil and add some olive oil. We're going to coat it. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Yeah. Wrap up. Got the Pit Boss heating up here. We're going to get it on up to about 375. We're almost there. I'm going to place that on the top of it right there so it don't get too close to the fire. Cook that for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. And then here is how we're going to make the super melted cheese, but we're going to also use some cheese sauce, and I'm going to make that. So let's do this. I've got my Blackstone heating up on one side with a pan here. And we're going to just throw in 8 ounces of some velvety. I've got 1/4 cup of some milk and a tablespoon of butter. Here I've got some seasonings. 1 tablespoon of, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I've also got just a pinch or so, a little bit of dash of salt. And we're just going to let that melt up here on the Blackstone and make some cheese sauce to top on the burgers. It's actually boiling up pretty good there. Might turn that down. I always just like to put a pan right on this Blackstone. Just use it like a burner. Get that cheese sauce melted up. Yeah, I got it on high. I'm going to turn it down to low. Just let that continue to melt. Still got the garlic cooking and be assembling this burger soon. So we had an amazing trip, and I think you can find this burger on just about any cruise ship Carnival has. Don't quote me on that. There may be 1 or 2 that don't have it, but I think the majority of them do. So if you're ever out on a cruise, especially this one, check out these burgers. They're complimentary, included with your cruise, and really enjoyed it. So we're going to be making this. Go ahead and see this sauce right here is really coming along. You can see got that velvety in there. Oops, made a little splash, but look at that. It's starting to look really, really good. And then we'll be making the donkey sauce and basically make some smash burgers. Top it with this, get an onion ring, throw on top. Oh, hell yeah, let's go. Looking good. Take a look at that. Don't that just look wonderful? Whoa, little olive oil coming out there. Just does look wonderful though. Let's see if this don't kind of squeeze. Look at that, starting to squeeze out. And I actually tasted this and it tasted really good. And then we're going to make the rest of the sauce by just going ahead and adding the cup of mayo. Go ahead and placing all that nice roasted garlic. You could have done a couple of cloves of that. Mix that in. We're just going to do about 4 splashes of Worcestershire sauce here. Get that on in there. Oh, it's splashing everywhere. Get that on in there. Teaspoon or so of mustard. Just some yellow mustard, adding it to it. Got about 1/4 teaspoon of some salt. Get that in there. And we're going to add just a few sprinkles of some black pepper. And now we have, ladies and gentlemen, some homemade donkey sauce. So let me taste this versus the actual, see if it's even remotely close. So let me just take a little bit of this, and I'm sure after it mends a little bit and refrigerates, flavors will probably come better together. Okay. All right. And here is the store-bought one. You can see what it looks like here. As far as looks, well, they got the same pretty color, don't they? Pretty close on that. Okay. Maybe a little more mustard in this one. Pretty close. I'm going to add a little more mustard and we're going to retest. Oh yeah, pretty close, folks. Really good. All right, so now that we've got the cheese sauce melted and ready, we've got the donkey sauce prepared, it's time for the burger. This is a 80/20 ground beef burger, nothing fancy about it. We're just gonna drop that on there. And we're gonna let that cook 30-45 seconds. Throw a little salt on top. This is 5 ounces, which is bigger than what I normally do for a smash burger, but we're going this the Guy Fieri style, and that's what they call for. It also calls for cooking it a little bit and getting that browned on the bottom before we smash it. And that cheese still coming along nice there. Let me go and stir that up a little bit. Okay, after a little bit, we're just going to take our spatula and move it down. Now, I'm not going to push this as much as what I normally do. We're going to squish it down, but more to about right there. Kind of widen it out a little bit. You want this to stay about a 1/3 inch thick or so. Now we'll cook it for about 90 seconds before we flip it. Looking good. We want to get that crust built on the bottom. Let me give it just a little longer. I want to get a nice little crust on here. I got it set to about medium. I turned it up to medium high to kind of get that crust going a little more. Starting to see a little browning on the edges there. See what it looks like. Are you ready? Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. Wow. Now, we're going to take some of this cheese we've been melting over here. That cheese sauce, kind of put that all on here. Good amount. But that's not all. Slice of American cheese right on top of that. That's how you get that SMC, little super melty cheese. That actually turned the burner off of this melted cheese, so it hardened up a little bit. I'm gonna have to turn it on over here and get it back to melting for the next one we make for everybody else. But that's gonna just get all melty now. While that's doing that, we're gonna take these buns, which I put a little butter and garlic mixture, throw them on. Flip those. Oh yeah. Some of that homemade donkey sauce that I've been in there just put in the refrigerator, chilling it. Put it on the both of these buns here. That is some super melty cheese, is it not? Throw that right on there. Look at that. Amazing, is it not? Throw a little onion ring right there. And we're also going to add some barbecue sauce on it. Then you can add whatever condiment you want at this point, but we're going to add some, love pickles. Add some pickles on here. Look at that super melty cheese. Dang. That stands out, don't it? Just a little bit of shredded lettuce. A little tomato. Got fries on the side. There you go. A Guy Fieri recreation that I had at sea. I'm going to now have on land. Take one look at that, would you? Got it complemented with some fries, that super melty cheese, the bottom of that toasty bun. That donkey sauce. That cheese. Well, I know this may not be exact, but it's as close as you can get on land. Have you ever been on the Carnival cruise? Have you ever had this burger? Which one's your favorite? Are you gonna try this? If you do, let me know. How close is it? Wow, that's good. I also realized I never got to the important piece of this, the ring. Cheese sauce with that American cheese. That donkey sauce. That'll level up your smash burger right there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.